Welcome back. So students, we have studied this particular part. I'll start from there. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. The unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Sadao was missed height outlines of a little island near the shore and then come creeping up the beach below the house. Wreathing round the pines, in a few minutes fog would be wrapped about the house, too. Then he would go into the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting for him with the two children. But at this moment the door opened and she looked out, a dark blue woolen heroine, over her kimono. She came to him affectionately. She came to him affectionately and put her arm through his as he stood, smiled, and said nothing. He had met Hannah in America, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure she was Japanese. His father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her ways. He wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hannah, and by what luck he had found her in the most casual way, by chance literally at an American professor's house. The professor and his wife had been kind people, anxious to do something for their few foreign students. Though Ward had accepted this kindness, Sadao had often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house that night. The rooms were so small, the food so bad, the professor's wife so voluble, but he had gone, and there he had found Hannah, a new student, and had left. He would love her if it were at all possible. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children, for they had not married heedlessly in America. They had finished their work at school and had come home to Japan, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. Although Sadao and Hannah had talked everything over beforehand, they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. So now the scene starts. The clouds were rising from the ocean, and unexpected warmth, heat of the past few days was there. At night drawn heavy fog, and when the night came, heavy fog from the cold waves. You can find out. So the unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night, it means unexpected warmth felt by everyone there during the night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Sadao was missed height outlines of the island near the shore. Actually, Sadao was coming, and he was visible coming from the outlines of a little island near the shore, and then you can see that he was coming creeping up the beach below the house, which was wreathing around the pines. In a few minutes fog would be completely wrapped about the house also, and then he would enter to his house. He would go into the room where his wife Hannah was waiting for him with the two children. That means the time of evening, and he was going back to his home. But at this moment, so But at this moment, the door opened, and now Hannah appeared. She was wearing a dark blue woolen haroi over her kimono, and she held and she put her arm through him with love. He was standing, smiled, and said nothing. That was their affectionate between them. Now, writer took us in the past, how they got married. So, Dr. Sadao met Hannah in America. When he saw, he fell in love with her. But he waited to fall in love with her until he made himself sure that she is pure Japanese. Because he knew that his father would never receive her unless would not accepted her if she is not pure in her race. Now he wondered often, maximum time he wonders whom he would have married if he had not met Hannah. If Hannah would not have come to his life, then whom he would have married. But what was, the luck, see the luck. He found her in the most casual way, literally by chance, at an American professor's house. An American professor's name was Harley. So the professor and his wife, they were very kind people, and they were very eager to do something for few foreign students. Those are coming from other countries. Though they are bored, but they accepted their kindness. The professor and his wife were bored, but they accepted their kindness, this kindness. Anyways, Sadao often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house that night. So maximum time he does not like to go to his house. Maximum time he likes to come from there, because the house was so small, the food was so bad, and Professor wife was very voluble. Voluble means chatterbox. Once she starts, no one knows when she will stop. But when he had gone, he found Hannah, a new student. He had fallen in love with her, and if it were at all possible, just because of Hannah, he liked to spend more time. Now, come back to the recent. Now, writer again take us to the recent, means current situation. Current situation, they got married, and Dr. Sadao felt her hand on his arm, and he was aware that is a kind of pleasure. Though they have been married for many years, though they had been married years enough, because they have now they have 2 children. But they had not married heedlessly in America, means they did not marry in a hurry. First, they completed their work at school, they came home to Japan, and when their father seen them, then the marriage were arranged in the old Japanese way, in the old Japanese custom. So this shows that both were very responsible first towards their parents. Now see, this is very important. This is called the responsibility. How responsible they are. This is called the moral values. Parents first, their desires first, then secondary children desire. First, parents are important. What they are saying, what their desire is, for what purpose they have sent you to abroad, for what purpose they have sent you to school, for what purpose they have sent you to college. It is their duty. They are doing their duty, and it is the moral duty. But where you are, where are you? Nowadays, no one gives importance to their parents. During quarantine, I don't know how many people would give importance to their family members. before quarantine, before this corona, you used to go out, you used to have mobile phones coming from tuitions, right? Not taking care about what mother has cooked food, you're not taking care what parents are saying. You always feel that it is very pinching word, हमेशा पढ़ने के लिए कह देते हैं, अब ये कहेंगे कि ये भी कर ले, कहाँ तक होगी, oh my god, that is their duty, because they are very much careful for your studies. Anyways, so this I'm just coming back to the chapter. So first they finished their work at school, that means first they completed their studies, they came back to Japan, and then Dr. Sadao let his father to be seen Hannah, and thereafter when he saw Hannah, he found that yes, she is suitable for him. Then they got married in a old Japanese custom. Now they are perfectly happy, and the current scene is she laid her cheek against his arms. That is a love, kind of love that they were showing. So सीन कुछ इस तरह से है, यहाँ पे क्लाउड्स जो है क्या नाम है वो ओशन की तरफ से आ रहे हैं. एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड गर्मी जो थी पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैंने की फील की जा रही थी. रात जैसी रात होती थी और काफी एक हैवी फॉग, एक धुंध सा जो है कोल्ड वेव से आता था. आप सदा को देख सकते हैं कि वो जो है छुपता हुआ मैंने कि धुंध में से कहीं इधर उधर आउटलाइन मैंने कि जो है छुपता हुआ मैंने आ रहा है. छुप नहीं रहा मतलब ऐसा आ रहा है, नजर आ रहा है, इट मींस आ रहा है फिर छुप रहा है. तो दैट इज मैंने कि जो आउटलाइन से आइलैंड की, ठीक है, वहां पे जो शोर के पास जो है, समुद्र किनारे के पास जो है, ठीक है, फिर कोई क्रीपिंग करता हुआ कोई देन कम क्रीपिंग अप द बीच बिलो द हाउस, ठीक है, कोई क्रीपिंग करते हुए आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, ब्रीदिंग करते हुए आ रहे हैं, ब्रीदिंग अराउंड द पाइन्स. इस तरह से आप देख सकते सदाओं में लगे नजर आ रहे हैं, मैंने कि वो घर की तरफ आ रहे हैं. कुछ टाइम के बाद फॉग जो है पूरी तरह से कवर्ड हो जाएगा, घर को ढक देगा. वो भी अपने घर चले जाएंगे, अपने वाइफ हैना से मिलेंगे जो उनका इंतजार कर रही है अपने घर. तभी वो घर पहुंचते और हैना सामने आती है. हैना जो है डार्क ब्लू वुलन हेरोई, यानी एक तरह का ड्रेस होता है, उन्होंने वो पहना हुआ है. वो बहुत प्यार से उनको अपने बाहों में मैंने भर लेती है, ठीक है. वो भी हंसते हैं, कुछ नहीं कहते. अब राइटर यहीं से ही हमें फ्लैशबैक में लेके जाते हैं. वो हैना से मिले अमेरिका में और वहां पे इंतजार किया जब तक मैंने कि उन्हें पसंद तो किया, लेकिन उन्होंने प्यार का इजहार तब तक नहीं किया जब तक उन्हें ये कंफर्म नहीं होगा कि ये प्योर जापानीज है. उनके फादर ने भी जो है क्या नाम है ऐसे उन्हें रिसीव, क्योंकि उनके फादर उन्हें ऐसे रिसीव नहीं करेंगे जब तक कि वो ये ना देख ले कि एक प्योर जापानीज है. तो उसने इस बात का बहुत ध्यान रखा कि मेरे फादर के वैल्यूज, कहीं मेरे फैमिली वैल्यूज कहीं भी सफर ना करें. तो वो सोचते रहते थे अगर हना नहीं मिलती तो शादी किससे करते. एनीवेज, अब वो उनसे मिले अमेरिकन प्रोफेसर्स के उनके घर पे. प्रोफेसर और उनकी वाइफ जो है बहुत काइंड थे और बहुत ईगरली किसी भी फॉरेन स्टूडेंट को मैंने कि वो जो कुछ भी करने को रेडी रहते थे. हालांकि वो दोनों के दोनों काफी बोरिंग थे, लेकिन फिर भी लोग उनकी काइंडनेस को एक्सेप्ट करते थे. सदा हना को बताते थे कि वो मुश्किल से ही प्रोफेसर हार्डे के घर में कभी जाते थे. कमरे उनके छोटे, ठीक है, कमरे उनके छोटे हैं, खाना भी बहुत बुरा है. प्रोफेसर वाइफ जो है बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूबल है, टपर 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 बातें करती रहती है. वॉल्यूबल चैटर बॉक्स, एक बार शुरू पता नहीं कब खत्म. लेकिन फिर भी वो वहां पे गए और हैना को देखा, न्यू स्टूडेंट, और बस, और उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी हैना की वजह से इतना टाइम वो स्पेंड कर पाए. अब वही सेम सीन है, ठीक है. उन्होंने अपना जो हाथ मैंने कि उन्होंने फील किया, डॉक्टर साहब ने फील किया कि उसकी वाइफ यानी हैना का जो हाथ है, ठीक है, वो उसके हाथों में है, ठीक है, मैंने उनकी बाहों में है, ठीक है. और वो अवेयर और वो जो है एक अफेक्शनेट को फील कर रहे थे. हालांकि उन्हें शादी हुए काफी टाइम हो गया, 2 बच्चे भी हैं. यहाँ पर राइटर मॉरल वैल्यूज की फिर से बात करते हैं कि वो एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ जी रहे थे. उन्होंने कुछ जल्दबाजी में अमेरिका में शादी नहीं की. पहले उन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की, जापान वापस आए, फादर को दिखाया, फादर ने पसंद किया, देखा कि ये है ना इसके लिए फिट है या नहीं. इसके बाद उन्होंने अपने पुराने कस्टम के साथ शादी की. Thank you.